Hi, this video is about fixing the post on a kitty condo. Got a cat that thinks he's a tiger and he broke the post. There's a couple of different ways of doing it, but this one here is just broken at the end. So that's what this video is about, but it does tell you how you can fix it if it breaks in the middle. And you want to measure down and cut just the part off that's damaged. And then this is the base where it came off of. You need to pull the staples out and whatever to get the post off of there before you can cut it. But when you get down to this base, you need to reinforce it. It's not really strong enough. This is a piece of PVC pipe. I've got a picture of the back. It's got the information on it. You flip it, you see the next picture. It'll show you what it looks like. And you're going to set it into that base up there with the thick part down so the screws got a really good bite. And you need to line the screws up so they catch the thick part when you put it in. I just use 1-inch drywall screws. They work great. So you want to put in little small pilot holes first to line it up. And then I take a little larger drill bit and just touch the outside so that it will countersink the screw a little bit. Don't do it too much because you don't want it to pull through. You need enough to hold that base in. I put one on either side. Then I put 6 going around. And once you do that, when this thing's finished, you pick that whole stand up with it. So just set them all in, don't over tight, you just need to put them in enough. They'll catch 2 parts of that pipe. They'll catch the inside and the outside lip. Once you've got these in, you can see the carpet's rolled up. I just rolled it up. You're going to pull it down, and they'll hide all the screws. Now, you want to tuck the end of it in behind it, into the back, in other words. Just roll it like I'm doing here. Do that all the way around. You just need to do a small part of it. You don't need to, and I wouldn't cut the carpet. You want to get the full length so you get it to come where you want. Remember, you're going to still have the same height when you finish doing it this way. So you don't want to really cut the carpet. Now pull it all the way down as far as it will go. Now you can go all the way around it and staple it really well. Press down on the stapler so you get a good bite into the foundation. I do make sure I put a lot of staples in it. But after you've got the staples in, you're going to need to go back with a hammer and just tap lightly all the way around. And that's just to make sure that it's done sticking up, anything like that. You don't want the kitties to get caught in anything. They normally don't scratch at the bottom. You know how things go. If you don't do it, that's when they'll do that. When you tap the hammer, it'll set the carpet down too. Okay, now you just take your hammer and tap it all the way around. You don't need to do it hard. You don't want to break anything down, break the staples off of it. You just want to make sure that they are set completely. So like I said, when you finish, you can pick this whole board up with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.